Hey YouTube, this is Curious Kathy, and on this travel vlog in Japan, we are visiting a suspension bridge, some volcanic craters, and a gorgeous plateau in Kumamoto, Japan. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, I guess we're gonna go on that bridge, so that's the bridge over there that we're gonna go to. There's the bridge. That's the hanging bridge. Look at how beautiful the countryside is. Look at that. And they have a little kind of resting area here. A little restaurant, I guess. And we're driving the matchbox car. We are at the Kokonoe suspension bridge, and it's a few miles from Yufuin Floral Village. So might as well, let's go and check it out. Now this bridge is 568 feet above, not above sea, above the ground. Yes, above the ground. And it has been built since 2006. Oh, I meant 2026. Okay. So let's walk towards the suspension bridge. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh my God, look at the Ethel. She's not afraid of the bee. This is a huge bee, guys. That's a huge bee. And they have... No, that's a wasp. The look at it. Look at the bee. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Okay, there are quite a few bees in this suspension bridge. Okay, look at that. Wow. Wow, and I think there is a something down there, like a water or a river.
That is honeybee.
Check out this area. Oh man. And then there's water, like river over there. There is a waterfalls over here on this side. See that waterfalls? Hey guys, this is Curious Kathy at Kokonoe Yumi Suspension Bridge here in Japan, in Kyushu. This is the big region of Kyushu. One last look about this beautiful place on this suspension bridge. We're just near Yufuin. It's just a few miles away. So if you go to Yufuin Floral Village, make sure you guys come to the suspension bridge. It's really nice. Lots of view. And it's not that windy right now, thank God. Our next stop is, I forgot the name of the next stop. It's right here. And we are going to Mount Aso. That's Mount Aso, I guess, over here. It says one of those tourist destinations that you need to go when you're here in Fukuoka. The valley is beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? We're going that way. We're up the mountain. Oh, take a look at that. And this is Mount Aso. And then there's a lady. Look at see a bride and a groom right there taking pictures. How cool is that? So cool. And we are here at the craters here at Mount Apple. There's like 7 of them. And see, you have to go up there and all through that area. My friend wanted to see it, so we came. So you have to go through here. Up there, there's the craters. That section. Okay, this is Mount Eboshi. We thought it was Mount Aso, but no. It's a Mount Pusa. Oh, no, it's Mount Eboshi. Okay, I was just kidding. Earlier there was a bride and groom here. But I think they left. There was a pictorial. That was pretty cool.
I think.
What do you think?
I think they want to get married here, or the view, because they first met here. Maybe. That's the case.
Maybe.
And then they fall in love. Maybe.
Maybe go there.
There's a big chance that I'm telling the truth.
Or it's just a plain pictorial.
Why here?
Because it's a beautiful view. That's why. How come people are stopping here? It's beautiful. That is where we came from, the volcanic craters. Those area, Mount Aso, that area. So we thought this was Mount Aso. No, that is Mount Aso. The craters, volcanic. Those are volcanic craters, guys. Check that out. I'm gonna make it a lot closer for you guys to see. These are volcanic craters. All this area. Yikes. Okay, let's do a 360 of this place. This is a very beautiful place. There's Mount Aso Volcano Museum on the back, and in the front we have this Mount Eboshi. There we go. Mount Eboshi and all around the place. First of all, I want to thank God for the gift of travel. Thank you, Lord, for being able to see your beautiful creation once again. So when you are traveling from Beppu to see Kumamoto Castle, try and pass by these beautiful places, these wonders of nature. They are worth your time. And if you like this kind of video, please give us a thumbs up. We'll appreciate it. By the way, this vlog is brought to you by Duval's Villa, Tagaytay, Philippines. Pay us a visit when you're in Tagaytay. Do stay safe and God bless. And remember to enjoy your life. See you in the next video.